Hi children, this is your English grammar class. Today we are going to learn new topic that is demonstrate. Okay, shall we start the class children? First you should think what is demonstrative pronoun. These are also demonstrative pronouns children. What is demonstrative pronouns? A pronoun that point out a person, place, thing or idea is called demonstrative pronoun. For example, this, that, these, those. Okay. We can use this when the object, thing or person nearby you modifies or refers to singular noun that are near to speaker. We can use that when the object, thing or person far from you modifies or refers to singular noun that are far from the speaker. We can use these when the objects, things or people nearby you modifies or refers to plural nouns that are near to the speaker. We can use these pronouns. Next, you can use those pronouns when the objects, things or people far from you modifies or refers to plural nouns that are far from the speaker. We can use those words. Now I am going to give you examples for this pronoun word. Can you see the picture children? Here I like this apple is close to you or near to us. So we can use this pronoun. Okay. Next, that. I like that apple. If I put it from little far away, this apple, I would say I like that apple because that apple is little far from us. We can use this and that for singular object. Okay. Here in both sentence we are talking about only one apple, right? Next, these. For example, I like these apples. Here we are going to talk about more than one apple. So we can use these words. Even the apples near with us. So we can use these pronoun. I like these apples. Next, those. For example, I like those apples. Here, here also we are going to talk about more than one apples. Why we use those word? The apples little far away from us. So there are in plural form. Okay. Take a look of your textbook children. We will discuss about this, that, these, those. Okay. First, what is these words? These, that, those, these. These are the demonstrative words, demonstrative pronouns. So, this is in your textbook, page number 24. Shall we start the class? See children, first I am going to read for you. Grandma, I like this blue teddy bear and these masks. Will you buy them for me? Of course, Mac. Are you sure you want to this beer and not that red one on the shelf? Yes, those beers are not so nice, and blue is my favorite color. All right, Mac, come let's go. Pay for these things. See in your textbook, children, we learn about the use of this, that, these, and those. They are used to talk about objects that might be close to or away from the speaker. That is, they demonstrate or show us the distance. Demonstrate or show us the distance at which an object is placed from the speaker. This, that, these, those can be used to refer to people and animals too. Look at this sentence. This is a green apple. The apple close to the parrot. So we can use this is a green apple. That is also a green apple. See, that is also a green apple. The green apple little far from the parrot. So we can use that. Next, in both sentences, we are talking about only one apple. Yes, here the parrot having only one apple. Here also the parrot talk about only one apple. So we can use this and that for singular noun. Next, move on the next page. Now look at these sentence. These are ripe bananas. Here the Mecca have more than one banana, so we can use these. These are ripe banana. Even the banana close to Mac. Those are also ripe banana. Here also more than one bananas are there, so we can use those. Even the bananas little far from Mac, so that we can use those are also ripe bananas. In the both sentence, we are talking about more than one banana. This and these point to a thing or things near the speaker. That and those point to a thing or things that are distant from the speaker. Okay, children, I hope you all are understood today's topic. This, that, these, those. There are demonstrative pronouns. So, have to practice in your home, children. Until take care. Bye-bye.